I'll show you the easiest way to stop spam and unwanted call on your iPhone. Find out who is calling before you answer and who is not saved in your contact list. First, you need to install the third-party Scam Shield app on your iPhone. For example, I am using the largest community-based app, Truecaller, which has over 400 million users. To download on your iPhone, open the App Store on your iPhone. Search Truecaller. Okay. Now, open when download and installation is complete. Tap on Next and get started. Now, allow access to Truecaller to identify non-calls. You will be redirected to call blocking and identification. Allow the toggle to be green for all parts. That's it. If you are not redirecting, then manually turn on. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll to Apps and again scroll. Tap on Phone. Now, scroll to Call Blocking and Identification. This option is only showing when third-party apps like Call Blocker is installed on your iPhone. And allow the toggle to green. That's it. Go back, continue setting up your account in Truecaller app on your iPhone, entering the contact details and getting call alerts. Identifying an incoming call like this. Now, whenever someone calls from the unknown number, you will get the caller's name from the Truecaller database appears on your iPhone screen. Now it's time to ignore and block the caller under the recent on your iPhone phone app. Tap on the I button next to the unknown call, scroll to the last option and tap on block this caller. Now you won't receive phone calls, messages and FaceTime from people on the block list appears in the settings app. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions and suggestions, then comment below.